He was getting on the table. He was going at a nice quick pace, but I wanted him to pick the legs up a little bit more for me, so see if we can get him going again.
Sorry, I'm focusing.
Come on, James. Right, on the night vision, it looked around this area because there was apart from my torch, there was another light here shining.
Oh, there it is.
Right, come on, James. Come on, mate. I brought some new people down to play with. Come on. Move the table. You're just doing it. I'm telling you now to move the table. Come and show these people how big and strong you think you are. Come on, mate. Just let it go in. Don't let me down. Come on. Come be my friend. Come on.
Shall I put a K2 in the middle or?
It's up to you. Come on, James. That's it, mate.
It.
Come on, mate.
Is he going?
Keep it going.
Keep going.
Get it faster now. Move it. Come on. There you go. That's it. Come back. That's it. Focus all the energy onto the table. Come on. That's it. Use all of our energies down our arms and into our fingers onto the table. That's it, mate. Keep it going. Come on. Come on. That's it. Keep it going. Can you make it faster for me? Let's go a bit faster. Pick up the pace. Pick up them legs. Come on. Come on. No, come on, James. I'm not having it. We know you can do better than that. You've just done it. Move the table now. Come on.
Come on, Jack.
Come on. Why are you being a coward for? You're not a shy person.
Come on, James. You know us. And we know that you're here, so come on. We need you to come through. Move the table. Move the K2. Lights on the K2.
Come on, mate. That's it. Move that for us. Come on, James. Come be my friend. Come on. Come scare me. I know you like to do that.
Come scare me.
Come on, make us scream. Make us go running up.
Make this man scream.
Yeah. Don't make me
Do
scream.
you feel comfortable talking or not?
Yeah, go
He
on.
was proper going with the other man.
What do you want me to say?
Anything, just get him enticing.
I don't normally get the chance to
Come on.
talk because she's always doing.
Tell me what to say.
Is that true, James? Is that the same for you?
That's it.
He's going to regret that later.
Yeah. Oh, yes.
Maybe you didn't respect women.
No, he didn't.
That's it.
Come on, Jack.
Touched the nerve.
Touch the nerve, I think.
Why didn't you respect women?
Oh shit! Fuck. Always gets me things like that.
It's like that at Kilburn when the generators kicked in.
Oh, I love it. I ran out of room.
Yeah, we all did a Scooby-Doo moment.
Touching someone's arms.
Oh, no, we was all scratching at the door to get out.
They shut the door on us.
Yeah, they shut it on us and we were all scratching at the door to get out.
This is good. Is that because we're ignoring you, James? Is that what it is?
Yeah. You
You want our
tip it onto
attention?
one leg, James. Come on. You think you're so clever?
I bet you can't.
Come
Yeah,
on,
just
show
run
us
it
what
up.
you've got. Come on.
Come on, mate.
Don't wimp out on us now. Faster.
Tip the table.
I want you to tip it right over. Come on. Otherwise you're going to hear my voice all night.
Nothing on the K2, is there?
Nothing. Nope. James, come on now.
Need
James,
you
can
to
you
light
light
up.
up the meter, please?
Yes, please, James. Light up the K2, please.
Come on. See that little green light? I want you to change it to orange light, please, or red. Come on.
Getting any orbs on the night vision?
Yeah.
There's a shitload down there.
There was something that dropped down there. I don't know what it was. I don't know if anyone
Oh,
else
is
see
that
it
table
dropping
just?
towards the
Did that table just move then? Has anyone got their hands on it?
I've got
Oh,
my
yeah.
hand on it.
Slightly.
My fingernail was just resting on the top.
He likes your voice. It's a man's
Yeah,
voice. He
I've
likes a
heard
man's
those, yeah.
voice.
Did he like me?
Ooh.
Couple of minutes.
Hurry up,
I've got a
James.
minute ago. order him to move it and tip it.
Well, he might have liked Donovan then. So.
Right then, James.
And like little boys, that's for
Vermin.
sure.
I wonder what that was then.
Was you married, James?
Just get closer.
Sorry. You alright?
Yeah.
It's flat again, isn't he?
Yeah. Come on, James.
Flat.
Grab our attention.
Don't keep mucking us about. First you're here, then you're not. Then you come back, then you've gone again. Come on.
Flatlined. Exactly what we did the other group. She told us ready to turn. We had it really going. The minute she told us to go upstairs, it stopped.
Like as if to say,
Come
As if to
on.
say, yeah, piss off.
Anyway, yeah.
You've had your
Off you
fun,
go.
piss off. Next one in.
Next one.
That's what, yeah.
Oh,
What?
I just had something look like it looked like it crawled along the table. Yeah.
Open up the flap.
Oh, K2's.
That's
oh.
me, radio.
No, there's. Oh, it is. It's a like one of those. What's it called? One of
Tap
those
on the lid. Paul's going to do it for you.
fruit fly
Oh,
things
good
because of the
stuff.
fear.